A very good morning to all of you. So, myself, Professor Navid Akhtar Mirza from Maulana Mukhtar and Nadwi Technical Campus. Soon you have started the same examination. You have to prepare for the same examination, and that will be conducted through online mode in our college. So before that, you should know what is the examination scheme for your uh, subject in 2019 pattern of Savitribai Phule Pune University, because our college is affiliated under Savitribai Phule Pune University, and we are following the syllabus set by Savitribai Phule Pune University. So in third year civil engineering, we have a subject design of the steel structure. In that, I'll explain that all the subjects having the same type of pattern for theory examinations in third year civil engineering or third year engineering, you may say, of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Okay. So what is the rules for examination scheme for theory subject? It is clearly mentioned that in R21 section 2 examination scheme, the theory examination shall be conducted in two phases. So theory examination will be conducted in two phases for all the subjects semester 1 to semester 8. Okay. So you know that in engineering there is 8 semester. Each year there is 2 semester. In each semester you are to appear for the theory examinations, and due to pandemic the examination are conducted, some examinations are conducted online, but it is to be conducted offline, but due to pandemic we are going to conduct the same examination online. So phases of examination, if you see, there is two phases. Phase one is nothing but your written examination. The examination for 30 marks. For 30 marks, written theory examination based on unit number 1 and unit number 2. Unit number 1 and unit number 2 of the core syllabus scheduled or set by the university. Already syllabus copy is sent to you on your WhatsApp group. If you don't have, you can also download from the University of Pune website, and you can request, and any of our faculty will give you. Then phase two examination is the end semester examination for 70 marks. So you know that 30 plus 70, 30 is the NSEM examination and 70 for NSEM. So this is the NSEM examination, 30 marks on unit number 1 and 2. NSEM examination on 70 marks. This is on unit number 1 and 2, and this is unit number 3, 4, 5, and 6, and therefore total marks is 100 marks. That is INSEM plus MSEM. Okay, ISE plus ESE, total 100 marks. So that is the examination scheme for your third year subject for 2019 pattern. Already you know all these things because you are in third year. So that is the structure of the question paper. You can see here. The structure of question paper will be I will explain clearly. It will be for 30 marks, phase 1, and equal weightage is given to the both units, that is unit number 1 and 2. So here you can see the unit number 1 and 2. This is the same examination. So ISE You know the weightage scheme is 50, 15 plus 15, and if you add this, then 30 marks in same examination will be there. And the marking scheme for phase 2 examination, that is 70 marks, is explained for unit number 3 to 6. Okay, so that is the same as same examination. Paper will have only one section and two questions for ISC and 4 questions for DSC. For each question, there will be alternate question based on same unit at the same marks. Framing of question should be according to Bloom's taxonomy and disseminated through the question paper with a mention of course articles as well. Okay, so this is your as per the section 2 of your rules for the FE 2019 pattern. So you will be 2019 pattern you have to follow. Now for the design of the steel structure, the subject, design of the steel structure, subject, you have to study unit number 1 and 2, that is will be 30 marks, and the date of examination will be 27/10/2021. Only a week, less than a week is remaining. I will say that you will study more, and all questions are MCQs. All questions are MCQs. Okay, unit number 1, 15 questions, MC question, and objective type question you can send. And unit number 2 also 15 question as per the guideline for SPQ 2019 pattern syllabus. So in this unit number 1 having a 15 question, unit number 2 having a 15 questions, and as per the guideline from our college, we have to take examination on online. So this online examination pattern, you can see here, the 25 questions with options. Okay, the 25 questions are with options, but 5 questions are without option. Okay, so you have to study well to get full marks. Okay, and already I have shared you the objective type question on the same pattern. The question will be there. The question will not be from there. Maybe some question from there, and you have permitted use of IS 800, use of IS 800 2007, permanent. Use of IS 800 2007 is permanent. Use of IS 800 2007 is allowed, okay, in examination. So use of IS 800 2007 and steel table or steel table IS 808, that's 1989. These two codes are permitted in examination. These two codes are permitted in the examination. Okay. So this is what is all about your examination scheme for the design of steel structure or third year subjects, or you can say that in general for third year engineering 2019 syllabus. Okay, Thank you for joining. So I will share these rules to you. Okay, this scheme I will share you on the Google Classroom. You can also read that. Okay, I will thank you. So this is what is all about the scheme, examination scheme. Okay.
Today, our topic of discussion hydrogen bonding. So, as a name suggests, hydrogen. So, means the hydrogen is involved. Okay? So, hydrogen is involved. हमने पढ़ा ionic bonding में क्या होता है? Ion involved. So, basically,
For
ionic
the
bonding is
examination
involved.
purpose,
That
I
I
will conduct the lecture.
and
That is
before that,
design of
what is bonding में क्या होता है?
beam
The
with
electron
high shear case. So previously we have designed beam with low shear case. Now we will start to design a beam with high shear case. So before going forward, if you have any doubt you have to ask regarding design of beam, you can ask with me. Otherwise, we will start.